So it's going to be a reading for the sign of Gemini. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let's start. So what can my Geminis possibly expect? I already have a first card for you, and that is King of Pentacles. I do not know why every sign this month is very, very focused on their finances. Okay, like every fucking sign is getting the same card almost. Uh, King of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. I've shuffled it like 6 times and still the same card. Okay, so King and Eight of Pentacles. So it tells that you are really working very hard to get richer. Okay, if that's a word. Second card we have is the Hanged Man in the reverse. So many of you guys will be deciding of giving up on a connection that is not going anywhere and putting your all focus in your finances. I mean, you guys are smart signs. Like Gemini is a very smart sign, and they are very practical about life. Sometimes love fucks them up, but you also get well soon. So yeah. So let's start. The sign of Gemini moving forward. So what can Geminis possibly expect? Give me 2 cards for Geminis, please. What's coming towards them? 2 cards for Geminis moving forward. With Ace of Wands, many of you guys will be starting something new in your life. This could be regarding your business, your love life, your sex life. Okay, so I definitely see new beginnings coming in your life. Brand new ideas, brand new projects. Some of you could be even indulging into something new, like a brand new. Okay. With Nine of Pentacles, many of you guys will be focused on staying single. Maybe casual dating could be a thought this month. Okay, could be. I'm not saying it will be. With the Hierophant, many of you guys are wanting to stay very like committed to yourself, like your growth, your image, your values. Okay, so yes, some of you might even be getting into a new job, and some of you could be going for higher education. Okay, give me one more card for Gemini. What are Geminis possibly going through? What are Geminis possibly going through? I'm getting a very good vibe from while shuffling your cards, so which tells me that you guys are finally waking up and moving forward in life. Yeah, with Temperance card, slowly but surely, I do see balance coming in your life. Okay, you guys are finally going to get that peace back, that that stability back, that feeling that I'm fine, I'm doing well. Okay, with Two of Wands, you guys could be at crossroads currently, waiting for someone to give you an offer, to give you a job call or something. You're definitely waiting for something. Okay, with Temperance, some of you could be having choices, like selected few of you. We also have Two of Wands. To clarify that, in the past we see Four of Cups. So in the past, someone made you feel rejected, or someone made you feel like they do not want you. Okay, like they put you down, or they did not give you the time. Some of you were going through depression with Four of Cups here. Okay, with Eight of Wands, you guys are trying to move on now. With King of Cups in the reverse, you guys are finally wanting to let go of those emotions that you have had for this individual. Okay, one card for your person, a Gemini soulmate. Like, what are they going through? Gemini soulmate, what are they going through? One card for Gemini soulmate, what are they going through? With the Sun card, this person might decide of giving you attention. Okay, with Ace of Cups, yes. For selected few of you, your person in the past could have left you for someone else. Okay, right now we see the Moon card. So some of you, like selected few of you, could be in a third party, but for many of you, there is a new love coming in. Okay, for many of you, like 60% of you, I see a new opportunity coming your way. Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. So a brand new person. So this person might give you attention very, very soon, like within a week. Okay, like tell me more about the situation. Tell me more about the situation. What's coming towards Gemini in terms of soulmate relationships? With Temperance card, this person is definitely going to heal you, fix you, help you move on. Okay, with Queen of Cups, this person could either be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It could be Leo for some of you. It could be Sagittarius for some of you. What other signs we see? We also see Taurus. Okay, so yes, these are the signs I see for now. I also see Libra for some of you. Could also be Aquarius. If you are dating a Gemini, then I do not know. Best of luck to you. Okay, so yeah, in terms of their energy towards you, Gemini soulmates energy towards Gemini, Gemini soulmates energy towards Gemini. One card for Gemini soulmates energy towards Gemini. With Two of Pentacles, this person is kind of juggling between you and someone else. Just like I told you that there is a third party. Okay. For some of you, they will want your attention, but I still see them juggling, not have decided yet, or they haven't decided yet as to how they will come forward towards you. Okay. So, but regardless of that, I see you getting attention. So, how are they going to come forward towards you now? How are they going to come forward towards Gemini? One card. How is the Gemini going to come forward towards Gemini for the month of September now until the end of the month? How are they going to come forward towards Gemini? Yeah, with Four of Wands, I see for many of you, this person wanting to go out on a date with you, wanting to meet you in person, wanting to celebrate with you. Okay, yeah, with Knight of Wands, I definitely see this person coming forward and wanting to meet you. So I definitely see you guys meeting this month. Very much a possibility. I see them giving you attention. Okay, so what was really blocking this person? What was really blocking this person from coming forward towards you? One card for what was really blocking this person from coming forward towards Gemini? Card for that, please. With Page of Cups, I believe that for some of you, this person was younger to you. Okay, this could be a possibility that this person is younger to you in terms of age. If it's not that, I believe this person wasn't really ready for commitment. Okay, if it's not that, I also feel for some of you there was another person present in the picture, especially water sign. This could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, that was kind of getting in the way. Okay, younger water sign possibly. Okay, you give me one more card as to their energy towards you now. What's their energy going to be towards you? Like, how are they going to possibly think of you, or what are they thinking of you now? One card for Gemini, so much energy towards Gemini moving forward. I still see them kind of distance or distant from you. Okay, I still see a distance between the two of you. I still see this, like a wall between the two of you. Okay, so this person is still wanting to stay at a distance or keep distance, like between the two of you. Okay, I still do not see them willingly coming forward. As of now, I do not see communication happening. Even if it's happening, they are not like really speaking up to you, like really communicating with you, like really wanting to tell you what's really happening. They are keeping certain secrets. You do not know what exactly is happening in their life. You give me one card for like what exactly is happening in Gemini's soulmates life currently. What are they not telling Geminis, or what are they hiding from Geminis? Like, what are they hiding from Geminis? One card for that, please, Spirit. With Page of Pentacles, I believe that this person has not been doing much. Even if they were in another connection, it never got to a point of commitment. Okay, for some of you, this person might not be doing well financially, like they are not stable. They have just started something and it's not really going anyway. Okay, I still see them struggling financially, not like just have started something like a new project or a new job and they haven't got stable. Okay, if it was a relationship, it never got to a point of commitment. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for Gemini soulmates current feelings towards Gemini. Gemini soulmates current feelings towards Gemini. Gemini soulmates current feelings towards Gemini. With Six of Wands, this person definitely big yes. They want your attention. They want to be around you. They want to have to spend some time with you. Okay. With Two of Swords, in the past, I still see them being indecisive. In the past, I see them, if they were married or if they were committed to someone else, they kind of broke up with you, or they started to distance themselves from you. They were not being able to decide between you and someone else. But right now, I see them willingly coming forward. Okay. So what do they have to offer you now? What do they have to offer you? One card for what are they willing, or what do they have to offer you? Card for that, please. I still feel for some of you that they are not in a position to give you commitment because they are kind of they feel like they are not being they do not have enough to offer you, or they are not in a position, their own fears or their own thought pattern, or their own the way they think or the way they are is kind of stopping them. They feel like they will not be able to provide to you, or they will not be able to give you that full long term commitment. Okay, with Queen of Swords, I see them wanting to communicate with you, but in terms of commitment, I still see fears and insecurities like coming in between. Okay, I still feel like this person is a troubled like individual who has a lot going on in their life. Okay, I just do not feel this person is in a happy place right now. I feel like they are going through some problems you might not know about. Okay, but I still feel like they are not in a position to give you commitment. Okay, I see them wanting to come to you, wanting to go on a small date with you, but not in the position to give you commitment. Okay, so yes, how do they view you now? One card for how do they possibly view Geminis. One card for how do they possibly view Geminis. Possibly view Geminis. They feel like you have distance like yourself, or you are not wanting to open up emotionally. They feel like you're closed off emotionally, or you're wanting to keep yourself closed off to them. You're not really open to them. That's how they see you. Okay, they could also feel like you're wanting to stay focused on yourself now, or if you have found someone else, you're wanting to grow there, or you're wanting to start something stable there. Okay, so yes, one card for where this connection is going forward for the month of September, where this connection is going forward with Gemini and their soulmate. Where is this connection possibly going forward for Gemini and their soulmate in the month of September? With the World card, second card we have here is Eight of Wands. Some of you will actually meet this person. I see some of you like meeting them, going out on a date. Okay, yeah. With Three of Cups, that confirms the situation. If you guys haven't met for a while, or if you guys haven't gone on a date for a while, I see that happening. Okay, I see you guys communicating. If communication wasn't happening, I see you guys meeting. If that like wasn't happening. Okay, with Three of Wands, you've been waiting like on this person to see what they are up to. Okay, so yes, that might very much happen. So let's take soulmate message from your person now. Soulmate messages from Gemini. Soulmate to Gemini. What are they wanting to say to Gemini now? What are they wanting to Gemini now? I will do anything to make you happy. Okay, so that's one message. I will do anything to make you happy, but they are not in a position to make you happy, man. I mean, they will definitely want to meet you and go out on a date with you, but I do not think like they have much to offer, to be honest with you. I miss your touch. I believe that they will want to be around you to possibly to make things happen. Okay, so yes, one last message from Gemini soulmate to Gemini. What does Gemini need to know? Passionate warm nights. So that is something that you could look forward to. Passionate warm nights. Okay, so I believe this person wants to meet you. I feel it is possible if you're open to it. They feel like you are closed off to them, or you're wanting to stay closed off to them. They feel like you're wanting to give into another relationship now. You're wanting to stay close to the connection you guys shared. Okay, that's how they see you. They also feel like you are very focused on yourself now, and you're wanting to grow individually. Okay, so that's something I see. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Gemini. If you resonated with this reading, please consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel to grow. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want a personal reading with me, go to my website and book one. Thank you so much for coming in, and God bless you all. Cheers.